Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add markers to your videos on CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to select any video on CapCut or the ones that you have. This is just an example, so I'm just going to grab one from the stock video. To add in markers, you're just going to go to the where you want to add the marker, maybe here. Then you're going to add this option or just press M on your keyboard to add a marker. To edit it, you can just select it. It's a little bit hard to do. Right click, edit marker. You can change the colors as well as the title. Maybe this is where the sun ray shines. Press done. And you can add more markers wherever you like. If you want to delete just one, just right click and select delete marker, but if you wanted to delete everything, right click and then delete all markers in this clip. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.